A doji candlestick happens when opening and closing prices are almost the same during a trading session, creating a shape like a cross or plus sign on a chart. It's rare and can indicate that the trend might reverse or that there's uncertainty about future prices. Candlestick charts, including doji patterns, help traders understand market trends and sentiment. Depending on where the open-close line falls, a doji can be described as a gravestone, long-legged, or dragonfly. Doji tend to look like a cross or plus sign and have small or non-existent bodies. In this video, I draw it with a slightly larger body just for easier viewing.